What does it mean to paint light? Just as a fly dances across the river, light dances across this canvas. In the wilderness, light reveals stories untold. This is where art begins, where light meets wild. This moment, captured by Wildfly Productions, ignited a desire to translate the ephemeral beauty of nature onto canvas. Back at the studio, I prepare the panel for this intimate portrait of an Alaskan char. To capture light, I began in the shadows, laying down a darker base. There is a moment, just before the brush meets the canvas, where everything is still, where possibility hangs in the air, like mist on a river at dawn. Both painter and angler know this moment well. A breath held, a mystery unfolding. The process of painting is anything but formulaic. It resists routine. Like a river, it flows with its own logic, at times rushing and at times still. Every brushstroke is a step into unknown water. I begin with loose marks. These early layers are the riverbed on which everything else will rest. They're not seen in the final piece, but they matter deeply. These foundational tones provide weight, depth, and a kind of quiet authority. Every stroke is a step into the wild, an attempt to capture the essence of a creature both powerful and graceful. Light is where the painting starts to breathe. It is also where the challenge begins. The skin is an iridescent map of shifting hues, blue-gray flanks flickering with silver. You cannot mix this color in one go. It must be built layer by layer. The shine, the gleam, the wetness, it all depends on contrast and patience. Texture is next. The char is not smooth. Its skin is armor, its face chiseled. I begin adding thicker paint now, dragging the brush against the previous layers, letting it catch and skip. I alternate between moments of precision and moments of freedom, sometimes even using a palette knife. And just like on the water, I don't always know what's coming next. I observe and respond, letting the painting lead me. Painting an Alaskan char is like fishing for one. It requires patience. You cannot rush it. You can't fake it. You must be with it moment by moment. It is an invitation to be here, now. In the final stages of the painting, I add light, not just physical light, but emotional light. I emphasize the glint in the eye, the upward tilt of the mouth, the flex of muscle that suggests life in motion. I let warm tones bleed into cool ones, creating tension. I sharpen the edges where form meets space, and blur others, letting mystery return. There is the temptation in all of us to finish things, to clean them up, to wrap them in clarity, but not here. I leave parts unresolved. A fin disappears into shadow. The background suggests water, but never confirms it. And above all, we can remain curious, because curiosity is the bridge between observation and wonder. It's how a blank canvas becomes a river, how pigment becomes a portrait, how a simple fish becomes a king. And so, I end not with a signature, but with a breath, a pause, and an invitation to look again, to listen, to wander upstream, to find your own rhythm in the wild current of the world.